Good morning, Peaches. It is so nice to see you here again this morning. I hope everybody had a beautiful Mother's Day with their moms, and I'm sure all of your moms loved the drawings you made of them. They were all so beautiful. I want to thank everybody for the generous teacher appreciation gifts. I felt very appreciated last week. I still do every day. I wish I could give you hugs in person, but this will have to do. And look, I'm wearing my new t-shirt. I love it. Thank you, Morning Peaches. It fits perfectly. I love it so much. And my belly is full from the delicious cookies, and everything was just so wonderful. So thank you, room parents. Thank you, all of our parents, for just taking the time to acknowledge Teacher Appreciation Week. It really was very touching. So thank you. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to get on with the show. We have a lot to do this morning, so I'm going to sing a quick hello song. Feel free to stand up and get moving and sing this little, it's short and it's sweet, but it's one of our favorites. And then we can jump right in. All right, ready? I'm so happy that you're here with us today. Hooray! I'm so happy that you're here with us today. Hooray! We will sing and work and play, and we'll have a happy day. I'm so happy that you're here with us today. Hooray! Yay! I'm so happy to spend another day with you. Okay, so let's find out what day it is today. I'm gonna move this over a little bit. Okay, boys and girls, let's sing another quick one, because like I said, lots of good stuff to do today. Let's sing Days of the Week. Ready? Sing with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's find out what day of the week it is. Now, the last time we met, it was Friday, May 8th. Now, do we come to school on Saturday, or do I send home these videos on Saturdays? No, not on Saturday. So what comes after 8? 7, 8, 9. That's right, 9 comes next. But we don't come to school on Saturday. And do we come to school on Sunday? No, and Sunday, yesterday, was Mother's Day. So you were all celebrating with your mothers. So what was yesterday's date? After 9 comes 10. That's right. So yesterday was the 10th. We don't come to school on Saturday, and we don't come to school on Sunday because those days are the weekends. That's right, the weekends. So what comes after Sunday? There's Sunday and there's Monday. That's right. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Monday is today. Yes, it is. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Monday is today. Hooray! Okay, so we know today is Monday. Let's count our numbers to find out what today's date is. Ready? We always start at the beginning at number 1. Tap your knees and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's right, my friends. Today is the 11th. A 1 and a 1 makes 11. So let's say the whole date together. Today's date is Monday, May 11th, 2020. Excellent. And we can also sing, today is Monday, today is Monday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. Very good. All right, let's see. What is the weather like out today? What is the weather? Weather, weather. What is the weather? Weather today. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it raining or windy today? What's it like out there today? Everybody take a look outside your weather window and either tell me or tell somebody who's sitting near you, what's the weather like today? That's right. Today's weather is cloudy and cool, and the season is spring. That's right, everybody. The season is spring. All right. Okay, boys and girls. Let's see. Oh, goodness gracious. That was not smart. Sorry about that. That was a little startling. My fault. Here we go. Extra special kids. Today is Monday. We will learn about X. Can you say X? Now, the reason I wrote that looks a little tricky, right? The letter X is pretty tricky. The X sound actually says X, as if we're putting a K and a S together. X. So let me hear everybody say X. Good. That is how we pronounce the X sound. X. All right, let's get organized here. I've got my magic box, so I'm going to move over our board. I'm going to move in our box. Oh, how I miss our carpet at circle time. Oh, how I miss our carpet. And there's our new letter X. Oh my goodness, I can't fit. There we go. There's the letter X. All right, let's take a nice look at that. Oh my goodness, I already see my skywriters up in the air. Great job, everybody. We're going to start all the way up at the top, and the X is a little bit tricky. We are going to make a diagonal line down the slide. And then you're going to jump back up to the top on the other side and make another diagonal line down the other way. Good. Let's trace that together one more time. Diagonal line down, jump back to the top, and another diagonal line. Very good. Let's listen for the sound that X makes. X says X. Every letter makes a sound. X says X. Very good. X. Now, like I said, X is a very tricky letter. But first, Let's look at our uppercase and lowercase x's right here, boys and girls. What do you notice about the uppercase? Uppercase is the big letter. Lowercase is the little letter. What do you notice that's the same? Can you look at those x's and tell me something that is the same about them both? How do they look alike? That's right. Very good. They're both made with two diagonal lines. Diagonal line down, diagonal line down, diagonal line down, diagonal line down. So they're formed the same way. But boys and girls, who can tell us something that is not the same? What's different about these two x's? That's right. The uppercase X is made of two big diagonal lines, and the lowercase x is made of two little diagonal lines. That's exactly right. Good job. Kiss your brain. You guys are brilliant. All right. Now, this is what I was talking about when I said X is very tricky. So X mostly makes the X sound, as in X-ray. That's right. When you have to go to the doctor maybe, and the doctor looks at your bones through a machine because he needs to see inside your body, this is an X-ray, to see inside. X-ray. Everybody say X-ray. Good job. But now we have one other word that starts with the letter X. This is very tiny. And this is where it gets very confusing. This is called, does everybody know what that little instrument is called? My real one is in the classroom, of course. This is called a xylophone. And xylophone starts with X, but it doesn't sound like X. It sounds like Z. Xylophone. Everybody repeat that. Xylophone. I know, it's very, very tricky. So the rest of our words here all end with X because most words we learn have an X at the end of the word. It's the last sound we hear rather than at the beginning of the word. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Actually, everything except this one. What's this? You're right. This is a treasure map, and you're probably thinking, what? Treasure map doesn't start with X. And you're right. But look, what is right in the middle? An X, exactly. X marks the spot. So there's the letter X. You can spot the letter X right there. All right, so we have X-ray. X marks the spot. Now everything else has an X at the end. So now we're going to be listening for the last sound of the word. All right, what's this? It's a little box. Very good. Box. Everybody say box. And do you notice how you hear X at the end? Box. It's the last sound you say in your mouth. Box. The last sound on your lips. Oh, what's this? You're right. Dinosaur. But does dinosaur have the X sound in it? No. What kind of dinosaur is it? I know I have a lot of dinosaur experts out there. That's right. It's a T-Rex. Everybody say T-Rex. And again, that X is at the end. It's the last sound we say. It's the last sound we hear. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Very good. Oh, here's one that is in the middle. I think this sign would look familiar to many of you. What does this say? Exit. Good. And there's the X. That's the second letter. Exit. And what does exit mean again? Right. That's where you leave. So most often we see these exit signs in our school. You would probably see them in a movie theater or a shopping, a store or a mall. Exit. And they're usually above the door where you would leave if you have to leave in an emergency. Good job. On an airplane, excellent. Very good. All right. Oh, what happened to this teddy bear? He ripped. You're right. What do we have to do to fix his poor little arm? Oh, I just said it. Silly me. Fix. Good. Everybody say fix. And you can see some of these pictures I'm going to show you. They can show where the X is at the end. Very good. Fix. Excellent. Good. Oh, and can anybody think of a number that rhymes with fix? It comes after 5, and it's the number. That's right, you said it. 6. Very good. 6 ends with the X sound. 6. Fix. 6. Oh, here's an animal. I bet some of you kids can even read these words. That's right, fox. And once again, there's that X at the end. Everybody say fox. Wonderful. Good job. Let's see. Oh, another word that rhymes with fix, 6, and mix. That's right. We do a lot of mixing together when we are in school doing Kids in the Kitchen or cooking together. Mix. Very good. I see that X at the end. Excellent. And here's another animal. Rhymes with fox. Let's see if you big kids can do this. Ready? Say fox. But this time say it again and take away the f. What's left? Ox. That's right. Oh, you're ready for kindergarten. Ox. Very good. There's an ox. Excellent. And can you spy the X at the end of that word? Good. Me too. Ox. Excellent. Very good. All right, I have 2 more. Does anybody recognize this cereal? That's right. Chex. Everybody say Chex. Good. And can you spy the X at the end of the word? There it is. You guys are good at this. And the last one would be for a tree cutter to chop down trees. Everybody know what that's called? Good. Axe. Good. We learned during Fire Safety Week, the firefighters showed us their axe. Sometimes they might need this to use to get into a house if the doors are locked and they can't get in. But the firefighters are trained, right? And they do this very safely. Axe. Very good, everybody. All right. So those are all of our words that either begin or end with the X sound. Now this week, see if you can find a box and make your own magic box and see if you can find any toys. Maybe you have a stuffed animal of a fox. See if you can find anything in your home that begins or ends with the letter X. Excellent. I know it's tricky though. Oh, excellent has an X in it. Okay, I'm going to do one more quick little lesson. All right, very quick. And this is actually mostly for the AM class. So big kids, if you want to stop and take a break right now, you can, because you learned how to make the letter X in your morning class last year already. But I want to show this to the AM class and their mommies. I mean, big kids, you're more than welcome to watch, but I know you know how to do this. And there's a xylophone again. So when we make our letter X, boys and girls, remember, we are going to make one diagonal line all the way down to the bottom. Straight down, don't stop. Then we're going to come back to the other side and we're going to make another diagonal line down, again, all the way down to the bottom, right on top of it. Okay? So moms and dads, I want to point this out because it is not uncommon for the little ones, the 3s and early 4s, to do this. Because remember, the diagonal strokes are the most difficult strokes for little kids to learn, because they're literally, what they say, they're crossing over the midline. They have to cross over from one side of their body all the way to the other side of the body, and that uses different parts of the brain. So this is a challenging stroke. It is not uncommon to see this. Ready? So they start, we always start at the green light, right, boys and girls? We know that. Green means go, and we always start our letters at the top. It is not uncommon to see this. They do one side of the midline, and then they go to the other side of the midline. Okay? So it looks okay, but it's not. All right? So this is what you can do at home to help. We always start with a green light. What you can do is get a red light and show them where to stop. Okay? And just do one at a time. So for the little ones, again, you might have to sit with them to do this. See how they do in the beginning? But you might want to do one diagonal line at a time. So they have a green light means go. Red light means stop. Connect the dots. Stop. Then label their next line. Green means go. Red means stop. And tell them, don't get tricked. Don't stop at the line. They're just going to cross right over it, like you're crossing a bridge or something. Okay? And then again, connect the dots. All right? And one more time. Green means go. Red means stop. Have them connect those dots. Start at the top, down the slide, stop. And then once again, give them another green light. Give them another red light. And then start at the top and go down the slide right on top of it. Okay, moms and dads, I just wanted to explain that to you. So keep an eye on them. If you see them doing this, I know you moms and dads are all busy out there and you're also working. So if you could find some time that you could set aside just a couple minutes. If you see this, I want you to stop them, okay? If you see this, I want you to stop them, all right? And use those color-coded green and red dots to help them out, okay? You can also use popsicle sticks, right? Just like we use our wooden pieces when we're making letters, you know, and just have them practice, right? One line down, one diagonal line down, and then the second diagonal line down, they're going to lay right on top. You can use popsicle sticks if you happen to have wiki sticks at home. Pencils you can even use, lay them down on the table and just have them cross them right over. Okay? All right. That's all I've got for today, boys and girls. That was a long one. So please, you know, take breaks in between, get up and move if you have to. But you guys are extra special, and I'm so glad you're here today. So I'll see you all later for our snack and chats. I can't wait to hear about what you did for Mother's Day or what you did over the weekend, or if you had a birthday this weekend, how your birthday was. Okay, so everybody come ready with your snack and a drink and something fun to share. Okay, I will see you all later. I love you. Have a great day. Mwah. Bye.